Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I make video inside in my work. Here the dress for winter for the boys. In Arabic, they are called baltuparo. This one, the long dress for the boy. Here, the colors have a gray, black, and brown. Also, we have small here for the age of the 1-year-old to 5 years old. Okay, and also this one best for long also. They called this dasya in Arabic. This one the best hapar. Okay guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Take care and God bless us. Bye.